Welcome back to my channel Missy Daves, and today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on minimal basis makeup. So I'm going to start my makeup with Good Vibes Serum to hydrate my skin, and I'll also use this as my primer. Then I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me, and my shade is Warm Nude 128. Then I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer on my under eye area and on my eyelid as eyeshadow primer. I have never used any sort of corrector concealer on my face other than my eye area because I don't have that much of spots or any sort of acne on my face. For eyebrow pencil, I have used your Maybelline eyebrow pencil, and it's a dark brown shade. I'm just going to do just a little bit shape up. That's it. Because I'm going to do a minimal makeup, that's why I'm not going to use too much product on my face, whether it's foundation or concealer. For my eye makeup, I'm using Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. I have hooded eyes, that's why I have used a darker shade on my crease area so that it can be seen. All the products that I have used in this video are all under Rs 500. I have purchased all this product from Nykaa, except the Good Vibes Serum. I purchased this from Purple, I guess. Lakme Iconic Kajal, dark brown shade. I just love this Lakme Iconic Kajal range. Apply this on my waterline area. It's a dark brown shade. Now I'm going to use Maybelline Hyper Gloss eyeliner. Just a thin line, that's it. Now I'm going to use Lakme Iconic Mascara. That's a good one. And I really like it because it gives my lashes a volume. As this is just a minimal basic makeup, I'm not going to use any kind of false lashes. To highlight my ear duct area and under my eyebrows, I'm going to use just a glittery light shade on the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. Sorry. As you can see, it's just a very neutral and subtle eye makeup. Now I'm going to contour my face with Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette as well. The lightest transition shade. I'm not going to use any contouring products because I just want a little bit contouring shade, nothing else. I'm also using this to contour my nose area. To highlight my face, I'm going to use Lakme Illuminating Highlighting Shades. The third one, just a little bit. It's kind of a bronzer as well. And also on my nose area. Now I'm going to use Lakme finishing powder to set my look. Lips, I'm using Sugar Mini Lipstick. It's a plum shade. Actually, it's a very matte color, but right now it's looking very glossy. But after a while, it will set on my lip and it will give me a matte look. So I'm done with my makeup. But I'm going to complete my makeup with a bindi on my forehead because I'm going to wear a sari. This is my finished look. Guys, if you really like this tutorial, this look, then kindly like and subscribe so that I can do further videos. Love you guys. Bye bye.